Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can make your X or Twitter account private. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments, and be sure to put your likes. So let us get started with you. And first, of course, open the X app on your phone. Next, you'll need to tap at the top on your profile picture. Now click on Settings and Support. Then Settings and Privacy. Now you'll need to tap Privacy and Security. Next, Audience and Tags. And this is where you'll need to activate the very first feature, which will make your account private and confidential. And all your posts will only be seen by those who are subscribed to you. That's the simple way, friends, you can make your Twitter account private. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. See you soon.